This video will take you through the registration and the initial configuration of FortiGate CNF. FortiGate CNF is a managed firewall offering that's based on leading NGFW FortiGate that provides advanced network security for AWS Cloud powered by FortiOS and FortiGuard Labs threat intelligence services. To begin, access FortiGate CNF page through AWS Marketplace. Click View Purchase option and subscribe in the page that follows. At the top of the page, click Set up your account. Click Register under Step 1. Enter your email address in the Account Email Address field and click Register. Enter the provided captcha code and click Next. An email that includes a verification code is sent to your selected email address. Enter the provided verification code in the Verification Code field and click Next. On the credential page, enter a secure password in the Password and Confirm Password field and click Next. Enter the required information on the Account Information page and click Submit. After reading through the terms and conditions, select I have read, understood, and accept the contract stated above. Click Register. Click Complete in the following page. In the FortiCloud login, sign in with your newly created account credentials. Once logged into FortiGate CNF, click AWS Account in the left menu. Click New to add AWS account. Enter the AWS account ID. Make sure you have already logged into the same AWS account. Then click on Launch CloudFormation Template. In the new AWS Quick Create Stack window, check Acknowledge that AWS CloudFormation might create IAM resources and click Create Stack. Click the refresh button, and once the status shows create_complete, go back to the FortiGate CNF window. In the FortiGate CNF window, click CNF Instances and the New button. Complete the fields CNF name, region, log type, and log traffic to S3 bucket and click Save. Refresh the screen and click on the instance created once the status changes to active. Click on Configure Endpoints, then New button under the Endpoints. Complete the field name, account, VPC ID, and copy the key name, FortiGate_subnet_type. Go back to AWS window and navigate to the subnet in the VPC. Check the subnet, click Tags tab, then click on Manage Tags. Paste the key name copied and type the word endpoint in the Enter Value field and click Save. In the endpoint window, in the subnet field, select Subnet and click OK. Click the refresh button, and once the status changes to active, go back to AWS window. Click on Endpoints and refresh to verify the endpoint creation. Traffic must be routed correctly through FortiGate CNF instance in order to be inspected. The routing depends on your AWS workload architecture with a virtually unlimited number of possibilities. This video provides north-south traffic deployment scenario with instructions on routing traffic to the FortiGate CNF instance. In AWS VPC, click Route Tables in the Create Route Table button. In the name field, type CNF-ingress-workload. Select the VPC and click Route Table. In the Routes tab, click Edit Routes. Click Add Route and select 0.0.0/0 for the destination, and the Gateway Load Balancer endpoint, the name of the VPCE, for target. Then click Save Changes. Again, Route Tables and the Create Route Table. In the name field, type CNF-ingress-internet. Select the VPC and click Create Route Table. In the Routes tab, click Edit Routes. Click Add Route. Select the subnet for the workload for destination, and the gateway load balancer endpoint, the name of the VPCE, for target. Then click Save Changes. Again, click Route Tables and create Route Table. In the name field, type CNF-egress-IGW, then select the VPC and click Create Route Table. In the Routes tab, click Edit Routes. Click Add Route and select 0.0.0/0 for destination, and the Internet Gateway, the name of the IGW, for target. Then click Save Changes. Click on the route table to see all 3 routes created for CNF instance. The route table CNF-ingress-workload direct all workload traffic, except for local network traffic, to the gateway load balance endpoint, which forwards the traffic to FortiGate CNF. The route table CNF-ingress-internet sends ingress workload traffic from the internet to the gateway load balance endpoint, which forwards the traffic to FortiGate CNF first before routing to VPC subnet. The route table CNF-egress-IGW sends all external network traffic to the internet gateway after traversing the FortiGate CNF. All 3 route tables are shown together for this north-south traffic deployment. For more information, please visit the URL found on the screen to access the admin guide. This concludes the video for initial configuration of FortiGate CNF.